Alright, so this is my 2008 BMW 328i. It's the E90 model, and the quarter panel rain gutter trim is loose. It's completely loose. So I didn't even need any tools to remove this, right? Because all the glued on brackets just broke off over time. See, this is how it's held on. So this quarter trim rain gutter piece is only held on by 1, 2, 3 glued on clips, and then it looks like there's like a weather strip molding. So all I'm gonna do is just put some 3M automotive tape, double-sided tape, on all the spots where the tabs would be. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and then I just added another piece right here, double-sided tape. It's not going anywhere.